we have chosen a spectacular location for a very special dig. It's Time Team's 30th birthday, and we are celebrating in style.
The team have set up camp in the shadow of the medieval ruins of Corfe Castle to investigate the story of the farm where I grew up.
Morning.
In 2021, Lawrence and I dug a small trench looking for a Roman villa, but instead we discovered two very rare Iron Age burials.
I mean, I have never seen a collarbone quite that lightly built.
And this begged the question, was this a cemetery?
All right, John. This is the one. This is the one.
And how long have people been living here?
It's very late 5th century.
Wow. So that's stretching the story.
Where were they living?
But at least, yeah. So what's in there? There's a fire.
And above all, what were their livelihoods?
And that is beautiful.
And emotions were running high.
This stuff.
Wow.
And if I've now got my first kill.
That's overwhelming.
The team battled not only complicated archaeology,
Hugely frustrating.
but also the best efforts of the British weather.
It appears to be raining, Derek.
Let's have a strategic break, I think.
As we struggled to reveal the secrets of Wytch Farm. Join us for the 3-part premiere on the 17th, 18th and 19th of May on YouTube. Patreon members will be treated to an exclusive preview of Day 1 this Sunday, the 12th of May.